morning, guys. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate Google Backup on this device. So at first, enroll the settings. Then find and select Accounts and Backup, and here under Google Drive, click on Backup Data. So as you can see, currently it is active. So once you want to turn it off, just unmark this indicator and click on Turn Off and Delete. And then whenever you want to activate it again, or if you want to activate it for the first time, just open Accounts and Backup again, click on Backup Data, mark info that you wish to backup. In my case, it's everything, photos and videos, along with other device data. Click on Confirm, and that's it. As you can see, from now on, backup is active. If you want to manage it somehow, just mark Manage Backup. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.